Good afternoon, guys. So I made it here to Bali. I'm in Ubud. Yesterday I caught a flight from Manila. Took about 4.5 hours, easy flight. I arrived in Denpasar at midnight, and long line at immigration. Took about an hour or so. I stayed at an airport hotel, actually a capsule hotel inside the airport. I think it was about $30. But it was so nice just being able to get off the plane, go through immigration, and go to sleep in the airport. This afternoon, I took the bus from Kuta to Ubud here. Strangely, I was the only one on the bus. It was just the driver and me with a bus for like 12 people. So I was really surprised that they even ran it. Lucky they did though, because the taxi would have cost a lot more. The bus was only like 100,000, which is about $6.50. I actually wasn't really looking forward to this trip. Just Bali didn't really interest me too much. I just kind of wanted to come here because it's so popular, see what it's all about. But yeah, I get it now. It is really beautiful. I'll show you the Airbnb I'm staying in a little bit later. It's really nice. Great value for the money. Good afternoon, guys. I'm hiking the Camphuan trail here in Ubud, in Bali. This is a 20-minute trail out and back. Trailhead is located right in Ubud, so easy to access, pretty flat. Just some cobblestone steps and some mostly paved. Alright guys, I just finished the Camphuan Ridge trail hike. It's an out and back hike. Took about 20 minutes one way, mostly flat, few steps. Pretty much all paved. Well, it's like a cobblestone kind of path. Really easy hike, beautiful, and really convenient to do if you're staying here in Ubud. The trailhead starts just right in the city center. Right now I'm going grocery shopping. This little trail leads me to the supermarket, which is kind of nice. I'm probably not the target demographic for Bali. I'm not into the whole veganism, environmentalism, yoga, that kind of stuff. Doesn't interest me too much, but yeah, still plenty of stuff to do. the hike I did earlier today. Really great. You know, before I came here, I was reading about how expensive Bali is becoming, but it's surprisingly cheap. Like, I'm staying in a really nice Airbnb for like 20 bucks a night. I just bought a huge bag of groceries for 20 bucks. Chicken, a bunch of fresh fruits and veggies. A couple days worth of food, easy.